And here are the stats on the knife. Alright, Castleforged survival knife, 4 inches in blade length, 8.7 inches overall length, 0.2 inches thick, 9.7 ounces in weight. The steel on this is 1095, which is a high carbon steel. That's actually a very decent steel for this price. It has a DLC coating, diamond-like coating, G10 handle scales, and it has a Kydex sheath. And I paid $50 for it, but this thing has been as high as $90 in the past. I've definitely seen more expensive knives with the exact same steel. K-bar. If this was a K-bar, it would be $80. And if this was a Tops knife, it would be like $120. And it would be the same steel. Not bad. Oh, very nice. Alright. Comes fairly sharp. This is a lot heavier than it looks. So is this kind of a beefy, sweet little knife? At least, you know, it's a 4-inch blade and it's fairly thick. This is heavy. The G10 scales, they are nicely contoured, as you might imagine. It really fits the palm. I have a large size hand. As you can see, it has a flat grind up to that bevel there. Has kind of a reinforced tip, at least reinforced to there, right? It's a strong knife. This was definitely not made to be, quote, light and fast like your Mora knife. Here is a look at the sheath. It is Kydex, molded. It has eyelets. It's got a tech lock thing here. So you push that in and release the belt loop. Or if you, wait, there you go. Push it sideways, now it is locked. Alright, it has this strap, which you do not really need, like as far as holding the knife in, right? As far as holding the knife in, the sheath does just fine. It's got a spot to push off of. Alright, so yeah, that's the sheath.
Alright, we're going to turn these pieces of wood into thinner pieces of wood. And then perhaps carve on one. Sounds like a plan. Already split these with a longer knife.
Yo, what's up YouTube? Alright, proof of life section of the video. I'll finish this carving. Hope you're all doing well. This is a pretty nice knife. Oh, by the way, the price has gone down to $40. I just checked it just before I came out here. The price keeps going down. That's a good thing. I mean, $10.95 steel, very good. Alright, making some progress. There we go. Yet another stake. And just because I want to put more use on this blade. There's been a lot of interruptions today, unfortunately, but so it goes with video making. It's what you sign up for. You know what I'm saying? How's this saying? Let me check the viewfinder. Yeah, but like I was saying, $40 for 1095 high carbon. Solid design. That's pretty good. You know what I'm saying?
smooth this out. This looks even more wicked than usual. It's a true shark's fin. Alright, I'd say we put, can you see that? I don't know. We've definitely put some use on this. There you go. See what we did? Connecting two grooves. Done this before. Alright, so you see that? We connected those two grooves and just worked on it like so. Alright. Cleaning it up. Alright, so there you go. A wide, shallow notch. Could fit it together like Lincoln logs if you made another one. Alright, maybe we can cut just a few more materials and look through the viewfinder. Strap. There you go. There's that rubber tubing. There we go. Ah, like butter. Alright, well, fucking hell, I came out here at like 8:30 in the morning and it's now, it's like 2 o'clock. I put way more use on this than I had intended just because there was so much downtime with yard workers and so forth around the neighborhood and trucks that when it was too loud to film, I just kept building serotonin by just doing more and more carving. Let me try and say something coherent about this. Well, I already covered it's comfortable, it's a good deal because of the steel and the price. It's a little tank. Has that part that allows for certain other grips, right? Now that the price is actually reasonable, it'll probably sell out. That's how it always happens. Oh, it's disappeared now that it's actually a good deal. Anyway, leave a comment. YouTube has been rough lately. Several big channels I watch were demonetized for no reason, just because if you didn't know, YouTube unleashed an AI that's just like just randomly terminating people. Brace yourself for another round of video makers quitting. I'm not quitting, but I'm just going to be laying low. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.